Picture Monkey Island. Monkeys love bananas. Banana farmers grow them. How do monkeys get bananas? They trade leaves. Leaves are monkey money. Simple, right? Monkey works, gets leaf pile. Now, monkey gives farmer leaves, gets yummy banana. Banana good, leaf good, farmer happy, grows more bananas. Where monkeys work, get leaves, buy bananas. Island buzzing. But uh-oh. Monkeys notice something weird. Banana price going up? One banana costs 2 leaves now? Why leaf buy less banana? A monkey confused. Maybe bad weather hurt crops? Maybe too many monkeys want bananas? Banana go up, monkey grumble, makes monkeys nervous. What if leaf pile not enough? Monkey think maybe save leaves, buy less banana today. Many monkeys think same. Uh-oh. Suddenly, fewer monkeys buying bananas. Banana farmers panic. Monkeys not buying? Have too many bananas? Farmers cut back? Grow fewer bananas? Maybe even let some worker monkeys go. No job, no leaves, sad monkey? See the problem? Monkeys scared, spend less leaves. Farmers make less, hire less. Fewer monkeys have leaves to spend. Banana go down, but monkey no job, still sad. Island economy shrinking. That, my friends, is a recession. It's like a big, scary circle. Less spending means less making stuff, which means less jobs, which means even less spending. Monkey Island feels gloomy. Where happy banana time go? But wait, recessions don't last forever. Maybe prices drop so low, monkeys think, ooh, banana cheap. Buy now. Maybe monkey leaders find giant leaf pile to help. Slowly, monkeys feel braver. Start spending leaves again. Farmers see monkeys buying. Yay, grow more bananas. Hire back worker monkeys. More jobs, more leaves, more banana buying. The circle reverses. Economy grows, banana go up, but monkey have job, so monkey happy. Recessions are scary banana shortages for the whole island. They happen when monkeys get too nervous, stop spending leaves, and the whole banana machine slows down. Remember, less spending, less making, less jobs, less spending. Monkey sad cycle. So next time you hear recession, think Monkey Island. Think nervous monkeys hoarding leaves, sad farmers with too many bananas, and worker monkeys looking for jobs. Don't be a scared monkey forever. The bananas usually come back. Want more monkeynomics? Smash that subscribe button.